In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix your Instagram music not showing whenever you want to add music to your story. Just head into your Instagram. Let's say we would like to post this photo with music to our Instagram story. Tap on the sticker icon and select the option of music right here. Let's say we want any Drake song. And if you search the song or the artist, you won't find their music. The first thing you will have to do is to check if your Instagram is updated. If not, update to the latest version. Then you will have to connect to any virtual private network to change to any other location. When your VPN is connected, get back to your Instagram and retry adding music to your story. Your preferred song will get visible. You will then choose any music you would like to add to your story before sharing. That's how easy it is to fix music not showing when adding a story on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.